Good morning, students. So, in the session 1 of exponential powers, we have seen some basic introduction about this chapter, right? And in session 2, we'll see some examples. After that, we'll move on to the exercise. So, examples are very, very important. Examples examples and exercise sums are not much difference. A difference so examples also sums will be a bit easier. Okay, so don't waste. Let us see exercise sums first, example sums first. And one thing is important. Some people see 2 power 7 only. It should look like 2 power 7 only and not like 27. ఇలా రాస్తే అది 27 అయిపోతుంది. సో ద ఎండింగ్ 7 ఎండింగ్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో ఈ కింద అది 2 కి స్టార్టింగ్ కి రావాలి రైట్ సైడ్. సో ఇఫ్ ఐ am writing 2 and 7 ending should be till here. It should not come till here. Right? That is very, very important. చిన్నదే కదా అనుకోవచ్చు, but it is very, very important, which leads to reduction of marks. Okay? So today let us see some examples. I am going to take the first sum, example 7, fourth sum. Example 7, fourth sum. Okay. So formulas are very important. I have told you already in the last class to by heart all these formulas and practice them again and again. Okay. Few people have sent me their homework as they practiced it. Few of them have not sent. Okay. It doesn't mean they haven't practiced. They haven't practiced, but still some people have missed to send me the homework. But from today, I should get your homework on time. Whatever the homework I give you, I should get them on time before your deadline passes. Right? Let us see some. So this is, assume this as a power idanta m anukondi, idanta a, idanta m into a, idanta m. Ante this is the form of, since a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. Here a is equals to minus 2, a is equals to minus 2, m is equal to this one, x plus 1, and n is equals to 7. Now substitute all this in this formula to get the next step. So a power m plus n, a is minus 2 whole power m plus n, m is x plus 1 plus n is 7, which is equals to minus 2 whole power 12. Clear? Now minus 2 whole power x plus 1 plus 7, which is x plus 8, which is equals to minus 2 whole power 12. Right? Next, here we'll add a step when bases are same, powers can be equated. Bases same ఉన్నప్పుడు is equals to LHS లో RHS లో bases రెండు సేమ్ ఉంటే పవర్స్ రెండు ఈక్వేట్ చేయొచ్చు, which means you can remove the bases and write as x plus 8 is equals to 12. x is equals to 12. ఈ ప్లస్ 8 is equals to క్రాస్ అవుతే అటువైపు వెళ్తే ఏమవుతుంది, పాజిటివ్ is equals to క్రాస్ అవుతే నెగటివ్ అవుతుంది, నెగటివ్ is equals to క్రాస్ అవుతే పాజిటివ్ అవుతుంది, మల్టిప్లికేషన్ is equals to క్రాస్ అవుతే డివిజన్ అవుతుంది, డివిజన్ is equals to క్రాస్ అవుతే మల్టిప్లై అవుతుంది. All these four are very important. So now here this positive number when it crosses is equals to, it becomes negative, negative. X is equals to 12 minus 8 is 4. This is find the value of x. We have found the value of x. This is the first. Hope you understood this one. Let us move on to the next example without wasting much time. We'll see example 8. Simplify 2 by 5 power minus 3 into 25 by 4 minus 2. So first simplify cheyali. Simplify ela chestam. 2 ni 5 ni we cannot simplify as they are already in the short form, right? We can simplify this. First 25 ni 4 ni simplify cheyali. 25 by 4 can be written as 5 into 5 by 2 into 2, which can be written as 5 square by 2 square. Right? Now we'll move on to the sum. 2 by 5 whole power minus 3 into this 25 by 4 can be written as 5 square by 2 square whole power minus 2. Right? Now let's see. Since we have a formula A by B whole power m is equals to A power m by B power m. Here A is equals to 2, B is equals to 5 and m is equals to minus 3. Substitute the formula. You will get 2 power minus 3 by 5 power minus 3. Okay? I'm right. నేను ఇది మాత్రమే రాశాను. నేను ఇంకా వెళ్ళలేదు, ఇక్కడ వరకే రాశాను. సో అప్పుడే ఏమవుతుంది? As it is రాసుకోండి. Don't change anything. 5 square by 2 square whole power minus 2. Now again, since 2 power minus 3, it looks like A power minus m, which is equals to 1 by A power n. So 2 power minus 3 ఏమని రాయొచ్చు? 1 by 2 power 3 రాయొచ్చు. Write down 2 power minus 3 as 1 by 2 power 3 into 5 power minus 3 can be written as similarly 1 by A power minus n is equals to A power n. Right? So 1 by 5 power minus 3 can be written as 5 power 3. Okay? Into simple same as this. 5 power minus, sorry, don't get confused, it's 5 by 2 power 2 whole power minus 2. Okay? Next, 1 by 2 power 3 into 5 power 3, which can be written as 5 power 3 by 2 power 3 into 5 power 2 by 2 power 2 whole power minus 2. Okay? Now write down as this into this one. 5 power 2 whole power minus 2 by 2 power 2 whole power minus 2. Separate chesi rasanu. Okay? Now this is in the form of, the form kanipistundi manaki. I am writing here the formula A power m whole power m is equals to A power m, which is A power m into m. Similarly, write on the same step 5 power 3 by 2 power 3 into a power mn, which means 5 power 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 by 2 power 2 into 4 is minus 4, right? Next, 5 power 3 by 2 power 3 into a power minus n. A power minus n is 1 by a power n, which means 5 power minus 4 can be written as 1 by 5 power 4 into 2 power minus 4. A power minus 1 by a power minus n is equal to a power n, which means this can be written as 2 power 4. The next step, 5 power 3 by 2 power 3 into 2 power 4 by 5 power 4, right? Here 2 power 3 ante 3 times 2 into 2 into 2. Here 2 power 4, which means I am erasing this one. See, I am writing this up again here. 5 power 3 by 2 power 3 into 2 power 4 by 5 power 4. Here what I am doing, I am writing this, simplify yes or no. 5 into 5 into 5 and this one 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 power 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 by 5 power 4 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Here multiplication symbol undi, so I can make it cancel. 3 twos, the remaining is here 1 by 1 into 2 by 5. ఇవి మాత్రం మిగిలినాయి. 1 into 2 is 2 by 1 into 5 is 5. So the simplification, when we simplify this one, we got answer as 2 by 5. Okay, this is example 8. So if you see in exam, in textbook, it is very small, but anta simple ga cheyakodu, mari anta small chinnaga undakodu. So it should be, we should elaborate it. Enta clear ga cheyagalite anta clear ga sum cheyali. Answer is 2 by 5. Same answer we got in textbook also. Okay, now let us see example 9 in textbook. So example 9, okay? Simplify 1 by 3 whole power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 divided by 1 by 5 whole power minus 2. So this is our sum. Let us see. First, dividend student. The division kabatti it will be in the denominator. So first dividend simplify cheyandi. 1 by 3, write on the question once again. Okay, 1 by 3 whole power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 divided by 1 by 5 minus 2. So make a habit of writing the question once again in the solution Okay, the first step should be that one. Since the formula a by b whole power n, which is equals to a power n by b power m. So make this 1 power minus 3 by 3 power minus 3. Simple this one also. 1 power minus 3 by 2 power minus 3. Divided by, keep as this. Steps one by one, simplify as well. Now, 1 power minus 3, which means a power minus n is equals to 1 by a power n. Which means 1 power minus 3 and it becomes 1 by 1 power 3 into 1 by a power minus n is equals to a power n. Again the formula. 3 power minus 3 is 3 power 3. Minus 1 power minus 3 is 1 by 1 power 3 into 2 power minus 3 is 2 power 3. Using the same formula, divided by 1 by 5 whole power minus 2. Okay, next multiplication, multiply it. 1 into 3 power 3 is 3 power 3 by 1 power 3 minus 2 power 3 by 1 power 3 divided by 1 by 5 whole power minus 2. Okay, next. So write an as 3 power 3 by 1 power 3 minus 2 power 3 by 1 power 3 divided by, now we will simplify this one. 1 a by b whole power n. A by b whole power n is equal to a power m by b power m, which means 1 power minus 2 by 5 power minus 2. So this one 3 cube by 1 cube minus 2 cube by 1 cube divided by 1 power minus 2 can be written as a power minus n is equals to 1 by a power n, which means 1 power minus 2 is 1 by 1 power 2 into 1 by 5 power minus 2, which means 1 by a power minus n is equals to a power n, which means 1 by 5, which means 5 power 2. 3 power 3, okay, let us write down. 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3, 3 is 9 and 9 into 3 is 27. 27 by 1, 1 cube is 1, 1 n times multiply s will get 1. 2 cube is multiply 2 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. And 1 cube is 1, divided by 1 power 1 into 5 square, which is 5 square by 1 square is 1 square, I don't. Next, LCM is 1, 27 minus 8 divided by 5 square is 25 by 1. 27 minus 8, how much? 19, right? 19 by 1 divided by 25 by 1, which means 19 by 25 is your answer. Okay? This is example 8. Sorry, this is example 9. Okay? This is end of example 9. So far we have seen 3 examples, right? Example 7, fourth sum, example 8 and example 9. So in these three examples, we have almost covered 4, 5, 6 formulas, right? So without formula, there is no sum. Okka sum kuda formula lekunda undadu. In some sums you will have to use more than 2 formulas, more than 3 formulas also. Okay, sum lo 3 formulas kuda use chestam, 4 formulas kuda use chestam. So formulas aapade okka sum kuda munduku velaledu. So I am going to give you some homework. Exercise 4.1, first bit, second bit and third bit. All these 3 bits is your homework. Do this and send me before your deadline passes. Okay? If you have any doubts in these 3 examples, call me or ping me in WhatsApp. Okay? I'll be answering your calls. I'll be responding to your messages when you ask me doubts. Okay? Thank you.